Hey, the festive season is around the corner, and with all the cooking about to take place in homes, you know, the African style of enjoying the festivities, I had to start by doing the dalma, by going to the biggest farmers market in Nairobi, which allows your dalma to math correctly. If you know, you know. The beauty is it's a market that enhances the farm to food sustainability. Welcome to my channel. The market is opened as early as 4 or 5 a.m. But if you go at that time, you'll find the trucks and lorries from the farm just arriving and the sellers getting their produce. This time can be a bit tricky, especially if you're just buying for home use. Not a lot, but if you're buying in bulk, this is your best time. Reason being, you get to buy directly actually from the suppliers who have just come from the farm, so you get the best prices. But if you're buying just for home use, the best time is advisably between 9 to 11 a.m. since they close at 12 to 1 p.m. Also, when you go, remember to wear or dress in very comfortable shoes because it can get muddy sometimes. For example, like this day, it was quite muddy, and also whether it's sunny, you'll find so much litter on the ground. So carry or wear very comfortable shoes. Once you enter the market, the good thing is everything is grouped into sections, like the vegetables in one section. Then, as you shop, they use this weighing scale. I don't know if it's called a weighing scale, but this weighing thing to weigh, so you can either reduce or add depending on the amount that is reflected on the weighing thing and what you want. When talking cheap, then Marikiti market is the place to be. Reason being, everything is very, very low price as compared to other markets in Kenya. So you find it directly from the farm to here. Okay, of course, well, not like the markets in the countryside. Those ones is directly, no middleman or transport. But here for Nairobi people, this is very affordable. One thing I like is about this market is that the vendors are very friendly. They can advise you on how to store your produce, or even when the prices are going out or down, so you're ever in the know.
Kwanza zikauke. Mimi zinashika maji ya mvua. Haikuwa nzuri.
So once you're done with your shopping, you can either choose to carry your items if they're not too many to your car or to the stage as you like. But if you have a lot of things, because this is a farmer's market, so it's very affordable, and you'll find that you'll go there to buy a lot of things. So the best is to either ask for someone or the person who has sold to you some things, like maybe carrots, potatoes, ask them to give you someone who they know, a trusted person, to help you carry the luggage or the mzigo to your specific place, if it's your car or the bus stage, someone they know. Otherwise, to look like a scene from your favorite movie, because some people also have come to look for their bread and butter from there. So they can either decide to chobota with your items, and you don't know these people, and there are some who actually even not known by the vendor. So the best is to get a vendor who has sold to you, like the nyanyas or something, or the potatoes or carrots, to get you someone who they trust to carry your luggage. I hope you've enjoyed, and this festive season you've gotten a place to get your products at a cheaper price. Remember, this is the time for vibes and inshallah and a lot of eating. There to January. So thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, share with your family and friends, and leave your comment down below if you've loved this episode. Till next time, Kwaheri.